Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is series of what is computer and how it works. This is part 9. So let's begin the session. Before starting today's session, I want to announce that we are going to learn very important topic. So please pay attention. Today we are going to learn role of operating system. Now, operating system. Operating system is a program with special abilities that let it control the other software on the computer. Let me repeat once again. Operating system is a program with special abilities that let it control the other software on the computer. You will have clarity. Let's go ahead. Operating system lets user to install new programs by loading them into your computer's memory. Inside every computer, operating system managing software, for example, device drivers. Device drivers controls the computer's hardware. In this way, operating system decides when which program will run by the central processing unit and whether that program can access the computer's input and output devices. Let me repeat once again here. In this way, operating system decides when which program will run by the central processing unit and whether that program can access the computer's input and output devices. This is very important point, so please pay attention. Now, major task of operating system is resource management. Major task of operating system is resource management like CPU, memory disk. Operating system acts as an interface in between application software and hardware component. From above points what we have learned, from that we can say that operating system acts as an interface in between application software and hardware components. Why? Because operating system decides which program will run by the central processing unit and whether that program can access the computer's input and output devices, because central processing unit controls other part of the computer. In this way, operating system acts as an interface in between application software and hardware components. Now, operating system facilitates applications to run on top of it. Operating system facilitates applications to run on top of it and makes hardware component to work. Let me explain in a very good manner. Operating system is a special kind of system software. With the help of operating system, we can download and install application softwares. Let's take one example of VLC media player. So with the help of operating system, we can install VLC media player on our system. Nothing but operating system facilitates applications to run on top of it. Now, I have already explained operating system decides when which program will run by the central processing unit. Correct. So, operating system will decide when VLC media player will run and that execution will be performed by processor. Processor is nothing but CPU, and as CPU controls other parts of the computer, hence whether that program can access the computer's input output devices, it will also be indirectly controlled by operating system. operating system's main task is resource management. In this way, operating system facilitates applications to run on top of it and makes hardware component to work. Let me explain with pictorial representation. Suppose this is VLC media player. Okay, VLC software, and here we have operating system, and then we have hardware components, all hardware components including processor. So what operating system will do? Operating system will help this VLC media player to get downloaded on this system. Means operating system will facilitate other application programs to run on top of it. Where VLC media player will run? VLC media player will run on top of operating system. Then operating system will decide when which program will execute by processor, because main task of operating system is resource management. Correct. So it will tell to processor which application to run and when, and operating system will decide that application program will be able to use input devices as well as output devices, because processor controls other parts of the computer. In this way, operating system acts as an interface in between application program and hardware peripherals. So we can conclude that operating system facilitates application programs to run on top of it and makes hardware component to work. Now let's move on. In simple words, operating system is a special kind of system software. Operating system facilitates applications to run on top of it and makes hardware component to work. Operating system acts as an interface in between application software and hardware peripherals. In this way, we can say that operating system is a master program. Operating system is a master program that manages how software uses the hardware of a computer. This is one pictorial representation. Here, first we have user. User will interact with application software. For example, I want to write some notes using Notepad. Notepad is one application software. So where application software, nothing but Notepad is running on top of my Windows operating system. Correct. I have Windows operating system. On top of it, my Notepad application software will run. Now, operating system will communicate with device drivers. For example, I have keyboard. So operating system will communicate with keyboard. When I am typing something, it should be typed in Notepad application, and using device driver of that keyboard, I am using that particular keyboard, nothing but hardware part, which is keyboard. So we can say that, see this part up to here, what operating system is doing? Operating system is facilitating my notepad application to run on top of it, and then it will operating system will communicate with my processor. Operating system's main task is resource management, so it will tell to processor that I need to run or I need to perform operation on notepad application. So what processor will do? Processor will process given input. Processor will process given input, and whatever the whatever the content I am typing in notepad, that it will print in notepad. Correct. So in this way, my operating system, this operating system acts as an interface in between application software and hardware peripheral. Now, here one more pictorial representation where operating system is communicating with printer driver for printing operation, and operating system is communicating with graphics card driver for graphics. Correct. Now let's understand with one example. Suppose one user want to perform mathematical operation, and for that user is using calculator application software, but the problem here is the calculator application software cannot directly use hardware peripherals. Now to overcome this problem, calculator application software will take help of operating system. Now operating system will interact with CPU, or we can say processor, which is heart of the computer, and processor will use all the hardware component. What it will use? It will use ALU, arithmetic logic unit. In this way, operating system facilitates software to run on top of it and makes hardware component to work. And finally, after performing calculation using arithmetic logical unit, processor will display output on output window. In this way, software and hardware peripherals interact with one another to perform specific tasks. This is very important line. I am repeating once again. In this way, software and hardware peripherals interact with one another to perform specific tasks. So finally, we can come to one conclusion that a computer is a mix of hardware and software. A computer is a mix of hardware and software. Software has to interact with the hardware in order to receive data from input devices. Software has to interact with the hardware in order to receive data from input devices and to send its result to output devices. When we learn to code, we convert our ideas into code to solve particular problem. We use coding to solve particular problem, and the software turns those idea into reality with the help of computer machine. This gives you power to build things that matter to you, your community, and the world. I hope now you have very good understanding about what is operating system, what is role of operating system, how operating system acts as an interface in between software and hardware peripherals, how operating system communicate with hardware peripherals, for example CPU, and CPU will process given instructions. CPU will process given instructions because operating system's main task is resource management, which program will run when, that will be decided by operating system. And operating system will communicate with CPU. CPU will communicate with hardware part of the computer. In this way, operating system acts as an interface in between software and hardware peripherals. Operating system lets, or we can say facilitates, application programs to run on top of it and makes hardware component to work. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.